Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. I'm Sheila May Manila, 37 years old, married. I have two brothers and one sister. I'm the youngest in the family. I have three children, two boys and one girl. I worked in Hong Kong for a total of 8 years, 2 years for my first employer in Chunman, and 6 years for my last employer in Yunlong. In Chunman, there was only one child and 9 years old girl. In Yunlong, there was a newborn baby. The newborn baby, I need to make milk, clean the bottle, bathing, carrying, help sleep, playing, change diaper and clothes. The 9 years old girl is going to school already, so I need to prepare her in the morning, just like her meals, uniform, bag, shoes, and then my employer abroad working. So I bring her to the school by bus, and then I pick up again this little girl 9 years old. I want to work in Hong Kong again to support my kids because they need more financial support. I cook Hong Kong dishes and I'm familiar with Hong Kong lifestyle. Mom, sir, please give me the chance to work, to come back to Hong Kong and work again. I promise I will follow your instruction. I promise I will finish my contract and renew my contract with you. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.